बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं अपने YouTube चैनल में आपको खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब के बटन को क्लिक करें, बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करें ताकि आपको मेरी आने वाला हर लेक्चर आप तक पहुँच सके। और हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हैरी पॉटर से। हैरी पॉटर जो एक फेमस वर्क है J.K. रोलिंग का, इसके MCQ स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट MCQ, where do the Dursleys live? Option C. Second MCQ, the day before Harry is dropped on his doorstep, wherein Dursley is unsettled by the sight of option A, map reading cat. MCQ number 3, what nickname do Dumbledore and McGonagall used when discussing Voldemort? Option B, you know how. MCQ number 4, what animal can Professor McGonagall transform herself into? A cat. What kind of vehicle does Hagrid drive? Option A, flying motorcycle. MCQ number 6, on Dudley's birthday, what is Harry asked to do immediately upon waking? Option D. MCQ number 7, how many parents does Dudley receive on his birthday? To his great distress, 37. MCQ number 8, what is Paris double friend? MCQ number 9, what kind of snake does Harry have a conversation with at the zoo? Option B. MCQ number 10, how many letters arrive for Harry on the day after Vernon nailed the mail slot shut? 12. Option C. MCQ number 11, after the Dursleys flee to escape the delay of mail, how many letters for Harry are delivered to their hotel? 100. D option. MCQ number 12 यानी 12, after Hagrid smashes down the door of their vacation shack, what does Baron Dursley threaten him with? A gun. What kind of birthday cake does Hagrid present to Harry Potter? Chocolate. MCQ number 14, Hagrid introduced himself as keeper to? Option C, keys and grounds. MCQ number 15, pure to Hagrid. Revolution, how had Harry always believed his parents died? In a car crash. कि हैरी के वालिदैन की डेथ कैसे हुई? इन ए कार क्रैश. What type of creature runs the world bank called Gringotts? Option C. Which of the following is currency in the voting narrative system? Option D. MCQ number 18, the Harry chooses at contain material from type of creature. Option B, snakes. MCQ number 19. Which Hogwarts professor is pictured on one of the famous witches and wizard card discussed by Harry and Ron? Dumbledore. MCQ number 20. How are the first year students transported to Hogwarts Castle after arriving at the station? Option C, in boats. MCQ number 1. Harry Potter has a care on his forehead shaped like a lightning bottle. Option C. Which argument entitled student is Harry Potter nominee? Option B. Which character come from a Mughal family? Option B. What Hogwarts professor teach defense against the dark arts? Option C. 5 MCQ. What is the first name of Baron Dursley's wife? Option B. How does Harry first learn that he is wizard? Option B. Where does Harry live in the Dursley's home? In a cupboard. MCQ number 8. How decide where the children will be housed at Hogwarts? Option B. The Sorting Hat. Who is Fluffy? Option number C. Which teacher is trying to steal the philosopher's stone? Option C. To whom does the philosopher's stone belong? Option D. What position does Harry play in Quidditch? Answer is C. Seeker. MCQ number 13. What does Voldemort drink in the Forbidden Forest to sustain himself? Option number B. Unicorn blood. Whom do Harry and Ron accidentally lock in the bathroom with the troll? Option number A. What does Harry see what he looks in the mirror of for the first time? His parents. MCQ number 16. To whom does the invisibility cloak belong originally? Harry's father. In what house is Malfoy? Option number B. MCQ number 18. Who actually put the cure on Harry during the match? Option number C. MCQ number 19. At the start of the novel, how tells McGonagall that Harry Potter survived an attack by someone named Voldemort? Option C. Which house are Harry, Hermione and Ron stored into when they arrived at Hogwarts? Option number B. Quiz 3. With what remarkable gift does the philosopher's stone endue its honor? Option A. Eternal life. How wins the House Cup at the end of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone? Option B. MCQ number 3. What of the following is one of the Harry most positive traits? Loyalty. MCQ number 4. Which character name translates proud to bad faith, suggest his capability for dishonesty, ill will and vile acts? Option number B. MCQ number 5. Matches represent the importance of dash in the wizard community. Option number B. Teamwork. MCQ number 6. The mirror of Reeve shows that a person's identity is shaped by. Option number A. What he wants. MCQ number 7. Which professor greets the first year student as they arrive at Hogwarts? Option number C. Nearly headless Nick in the Resident Ghost of which Hogwarts House. Option number A. During breakfast on his first Friday at Hogwarts, Harry received an invitation to tea from option number A. Dumbledore. MCQ number 10. During Harry's first flying lesson, which student have an accident and break his wrist? Option number C. How recommends Harry to Oliver Wood as a member of the Quidditch team? Option number D. What if Harry spoke to meet Malfoy wore a wizard's duel? Option number A. How is Mr. Norris? Option number C. The Hogwarts caretaker cat. MCQ number 15. How takes away the book about the Harry is written to prepare for his first match? Professor Snape. A option. How does Harry overhear Snape taking with about the three-headed dog? Option number D. MCQ number 16. The day before Christmas vacation, Harry and Ron look for the information in the library about. Option number C. What does Harry receive a Christmas gift from Ron's mother? Option number C. When Ron looks in the mirror, marked right, but does the see himself? Option number A.